Howdy, howdy, it is Jessica Licona and the Licona Team coming to you live from Compass, Austin, Texas. So I've been getting a lot of questions around what is the market doing? And of course, media is in the business, so to speak, of giving you really sexy news and trying to make things sound very, very intense. And I will tell you that, yes, while we are seeing the market has shifted from the COVID market, keep in mind when people love to say, oh, I've heard a neighborhood is down 50% or 27% or whatever, keep in mind if they're relaying back to the days of when we were getting 200,000 above list price, well, yes, there's been a substantial discount, if you will, on list price to sale price ratio. But that's because the market was literally going insane and we were getting sometimes 20, 30, sometimes 60 offers on a property. Just be careful of reading some of the stats. What I will say is some of the starter price points have been interesting and great to work within for anyone looking to buy maybe their first home or even maybe their last home or just a home that they want to get into that is in a much more affordable price range. I'll say something under 300,000. There can still be homes under 300,000 in the Austin area. And what we're finding is a lot of builders are pushing out some great incentives right now. So reach out to us, and they've also opened it up for investors, which during COVID, that was really hard to find because that's ideally a place where you can make a little bit more bang for your buck, so to speak, with the rental rates versus your monthly payment. So keep in mind that what we're seeing is, yes, some of the starter price points have seen a little bit more competition with builders. We're also seeing, though, that the market is still staying pretty strong. We have about a 3-month supply of inventory. What that means is if no new homes come on the market and homes are selling at the rate in which they're selling right now, we have about 3 months of home inventory. Texas and Florida in general are the two leading states with growth. And Texas is still on the horizon for the next 4 decades to see some major growth. That's because of affordability, no income state tax. We still have great land and jobs, and we're still seeing the market is still doing very well. And one last point I'll mention to you with interest rates. Yes, we've seen them hovering around 6 and 7%. And while that's statistically about the highest we've seen in the past 2 decades, there's still some workarounds with that. And what I mean by that is reach out to us if you're interested in buying and just been nervous about that. We can also often get a seller to help you buy down your interest rate, or keep in mind, you're marrying the home, but you're dating the rate. So there's always the opportunity to refinance. Okay, I covered a lot. Call us, let us know what questions you have. Be well, take care. It's Jessica and Licona Team. Bye-bye.